We often speak of those who are chosen, individuals who seem destined for a higher purpose, a greater calling. But how do we recognize these signs in ourselves? How do we know when we are the ones who are chosen? Today, we will explore the signs that indicate you are a chosen one and why it is crucial to acknowledge and embrace this truth. Let's begin with the first sign. A deep sense of purpose that has been with you for as long as you can remember. It's not merely a fleeting thought or an occasional inspiration. It's a persistent feeling that there's something significant you are meant to do in this life. This sense of purpose often drives you, even when the path is unclear or challenging. If you find yourself constantly seeking meaning and feeling compelled to make a difference, this could be a sign that you are chosen for something greater. Consider what this purpose feels like to you. How does it manifest in your daily life? Another sign is an unexplainable feeling of being different or set apart from others. You might have felt this way since childhood, sensing that you see the world differently or experience life more deeply than those around you. This isn't about feeling superior or separate, but rather a recognition of a unique perspective or sensitivity. This feeling of being different can sometimes lead to periods of loneliness or misunderstanding, but it also points to a special role you are meant to play. Reflect on moments when you felt this way. How have these experiences shaped your understanding of yourself and your place in the world? Intense periods of struggle or hardship can also be a sign. Often those who are chosen face significant challenges that test their strength and resilience. These hardships are not punishments, but rather opportunities for growth and development. They refine your character and prepare you for the responsibilities that come with being chosen. Think about the struggles you have faced. What lessons have they taught you? How have they prepared you for your purpose? You may also notice a strong sense of intuition or inner knowing. This is more than just gut feelings. It's a deep-seated wisdom that guides you in making decisions and navigating your life. This intuition is often accompanied by moments of synchronicity, where events seem to align perfectly in a way that feels almost magical. These experiences can be affirmations that you are on the right path. Pay attention to these moments of intuition and synchronicity. What messages are they conveying to you? Lastly, a sign that you are a chosen one is the call to serve others. This isn't just a desire to help, but a profound commitment to making a positive impact in the lives of those around you. It often feels like a moral imperative, a duty that you cannot ignore. This call to service can manifest in various forms, from small acts of kindness to larger efforts aimed at creating systemic change. Reflect on how you feel called to serve. What actions do you feel compelled to take, and why do they matter so deeply to you? As you contemplate these signs, ask yourself, do these experiences resonate with you? Do you feel a deep sense of purpose, a feeling of being different, a journey marked by challenges, a strong intuition, and a call to serve? If so, it may be time to embrace the possibility that you are a chosen one. The hallmarks of the chosen. Embracing the responsibilities and opportunities of transcendent purpose. Embracing one's identity as a chosen one comes with both opportunities and responsibilities. One key responsibility is to cultivate and develop one's unique gifts and talents, using them to fulfill one's purpose. This may involve a particular skill set or a natural ability to connect with others. Nurturing these talents is essential for serving the world effectively. Maintaining a healthy balance is also crucial. The path of a chosen one can be demanding, so self-care practices and finding balance are vital. This includes taking time to rest, seeking support, and engaging in nourishing activities. Reflecting on current self-care and finding ways to sustain a healthy equilibrium is important. Being a chosen one also means embracing a role as a leader, not necessarily in a formal position, but by embodying one's values and principles and inspiring others through one's actions. Considering how to lead in one's own way and what values to embody is key. Nurturing one's spiritual or philosophical foundation is another significant aspect. This deeper connection provides guidance, strength, and clarity. Engaging in practices like meditation, prayer, or contemplation helps maintain this alignment with one's higher purpose. Remaining open to continuous learning and growth is vital, as the journey of a chosen one is an ongoing process of evolution and self-discovery. Being receptive to new ideas, experiences, and perspectives, and learning from mistakes can enhance one's development. The impact one has on others is also profound. One's actions, words, and presence can inspire and uplift those around, so using this influence wisely and ethically is crucial. Reflecting on how one's impact shapes others and how to create positive change is important. Navigating challenges with resilience and grace is another critical element. Difficulties and obstacles are opportunities to demonstrate strength, rise above, and inspire others. Considering how one handles adversity and using those experiences to support others is key. Lastly, embracing authenticity and truth is fundamental. Being true to one's values and principles, even when difficult, fosters trust, respect, and inner fulfillment. Evaluating one's commitment to authenticity and finding ways to cultivate it further is essential. In summary, the responsibilities and opportunities of being a chosen one involve nurturing one's gifts, maintaining balance, leading by example, staying connected to one's spiritual, philosophical foundation, embracing continuous growth, using one's influence wisely, navigating challenges resiliently, and committing to authenticity. Reflecting on these aspects is crucial for recognizing and fulfilling one's role as a chosen one. The transcendent journey of the chosen. Embracing the responsibilities and opportunities of a higher purpose. As a chosen one, you become acutely aware of the interconnectedness of all life. This realization brings a profound sense of responsibility to act in ways that honor and respect these deep connections. It fosters a humility, recognizing that your actions have far-reaching consequences. Reflecting on this interconnectedness shapes your relationship with the world and influences your decisions. The journey of a chosen one also involves grappling with the concept of purpose and destiny. There is often a sense of a specific life purpose to be fulfilled, which can provide direction but also raises questions about free will. Exploring the balance between destiny and personal agency is a key part of this philosophical exploration. Defining your sense of purpose and how you will shape its fulfillment is a central challenge. Delving into the nature of self and identity is another important aspect. Who are you, beyond the roles and labels assigned by society? Uncovering your true essence, free from external definitions, leads to a deeper understanding of your core identity. This process of self-discovery is transformative. The role of suffering and adversity in personal growth is also a profound consideration. While painful, such experiences can catalyze profound insights and inner strength. Suffering shapes resilience, compassion, and perseverance, essential qualities for the chosen one's journey. Serving others is another crucial element, but this goes beyond just actions. It involves the intention and energy behind the service. True, transformative service comes from a place of genuine love and compassion, not a desire for recognition. Reflecting on how to deepen this selfless service is key. Closely linked is the experience of transcendence, the recognition that there is something greater beyond the material world. This awareness can provide peace, clarity, and a sense of being part of a larger tapestry. Cultivating a deeper connection to this transcendent aspect shapes perspective and decisions. Additionally, the power of intention and thought must be embraced. Positive, focused intentions can create positive outcomes and open new opportunities. Conversely, negative mindsets can hinder progress. Cultivating a mindset of positivity, clarity, and purpose is essential. Finally, as a chosen one, you are called to embody a sense of hope and vision for the future. This involves not only having a clear personal vision but also inspiring collective positive change. Your vision and hope can be a guiding light for others, helping to create a better world. Reflecting deeply on these philosophical dimensions, the interconnectedness of all life, the balance of destiny and free will, the nature of identity and self, the role of suffering, the essence of service, the experience of transcendence, the power of intention, and the imperative of hope and vision is integral to fully embracing the responsibilities and opportunities of being a chosen one. The Chosen One's Manifesto, a roadmap to embodying your higher calling. Now let's bring everything together with practical advice and steps to fully embrace your role as a chosen one. Recognizing and accepting this identity is just the beginning. Living it out requires mindful action and continuous growth. First, create a daily practice that keeps you connected to your purpose. This could be through meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. Whatever form it takes, this practice should help you stay grounded and focused. It's a time to reflect on your intentions, align your actions with your values, and connect with your higher self. Consistency is key. Make this practice a non-negotiable part of your routine. Reflect on what daily practice resonates most with you. How can you incorporate this into your life consistently? Next, seek out mentors and communities that support your journey. Being a chosen one doesn't mean you have to walk the path alone. Find individuals and groups who share your values and can offer guidance, support, and inspiration. These relationships can provide invaluable insights and help you stay motivated and accountable. Reflect on your current support network. Are there mentors or communities you can connect with to support your growth? Another crucial step is to continually educate yourself. Read books, attend workshops, and engage in conversations that expand your understanding and challenge your perspectives. Knowledge is a powerful tool that can help you navigate your path more effectively and make informed decisions. Reflect on your current learning habits. How can you commit to continuous education and growth? It's also important to practice gratitude regularly. Gratitude helps you stay positive and focused on the good in your life, which can be especially helpful during challenging times. Make gratitude a daily habit by acknowledging the things you are thankful for each day. This practice can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, opening you up to more opportunities and positive experiences. Reflect on how you currently practice gratitude. Could you make it a more consistent part of your routine? How might this shift your perspective? Developing emotional resilience is another key aspect. As a chosen one, you will face significant challenges and obstacles. Building emotional resilience means learning to navigate these difficulties with grace and strength. This involves recognizing and processing your emotions, seeking support when needed, and maintaining a positive outlook. Reflect on your emotional resilience. How do you currently handle stress and adversity? What strategies can you adopt to strengthen your resilience? Moreover, it's essential to embody the principles and values you hold dear. This means living with integrity and authenticity, making sure that your actions align with your beliefs. It's about being a living example of the change you wish to see in the world. Reflect on your daily actions. Are they in alignment with your core values? How can you ensure that you are consistently embodying your principles? Another practical step is to take action towards your purpose every day, no matter how small. Consistent, deliberate actions accumulate over time and lead to significant progress. Break down your larger goals into manageable steps and commit to taking action regularly. Reflect on your current goals. What small actions can you take today to move closer to your purpose? Additionally, cultivate compassion and empathy towards others. Being a chosen one often means being a source of support and inspiration for those around you. Practicing compassion and empathy helps you connect with others on a deeper level and create meaningful, supportive relationships. Reflect on your interactions with others. How can you cultivate more compassion and empathy in your daily life? Finally, remain flexible and open to change. The path of a chosen one is not always linear or predictable. Being open to new experiences, ideas, and changes can help you adapt and grow. It's about trusting the process and being willing to adjust your course as needed. Reflect on your approach to change. Are you open to new possibilities and adjustments? How can you cultivate more flexibility in your life? As you integrate these practical steps, ask yourself, what daily practices help you stay connected to your purpose? How can you build a supportive network? Are you committed to continuous learning? How can you practice gratitude more consistently? What strategies can strengthen your emotional resilience? Are your actions aligned with your values? What small steps can you take towards your goals? How can you cultivate more compassion and empathy? Are you open to change and new possibilities? Embracing your role as a chosen one is a profound journey that involves deep self-awareness, continuous growth, and a commitment to making a positive impact. By recognizing the signs, nurturing your gifts, staying connected to a higher purpose, and taking practical steps, you can fulfill your unique role with grace and integrity. Remember, being a chosen one is not about perfection. It's about striving to be the best version of yourself and contributing to the greater good. Your journey is an inspiration to others, and your actions have the power to create meaningful change. Embrace your path with courage, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to your purpose.